Xander, what do we get today?
A bunch of stuff for the Chevrolet Tracker.
Oh, yeah. Wow, we got thermostat and all the hose. Is that everything on the list? Rotors, drums,
Two
shoes.
drums, one brake pad.
Set.
Yeah. Well, I'm just reading. Radiator upper, radiator lower. Belts, two belts. A thermostat. Oil filter, shocks, or struts. 4 spark plugs. Brake shoes, which is that. Brake drum hardware kit, which is that.
Nice.
And 2 rotors.
Set. Done. So we know what Scotty's doing tomorrow. Oh, grab the AC controller too, because it came over the weekend. So Scotty's just got to pop the old one out, or maybe even just pop this button out, because we had to buy the whole unit. So we can we'll take 2 and make one nice one, so everything is copacetic. But there it is. So we need to just put everything in one box, maybe. There you go. Oh, never mind. All right, we'll figure it out. Actually, we could pull that up. Also, 3 out of the 4 tires are here. We asked our FedEx guy where the 4th one is, and he had no idea. But he didn't deliver them. The other FedEx guy did on Friday. But, yeah, so they're going to chase that down. But we have pretty much everything. So we'll pull that up and have it here and have it ready to go for in the morning. You look like you're tired.
I'm starving.
Oh, well, we'll get food after this. And you need to get to work. We did some cleaning though this morning.
Toby.
Oh, no.
So,
We did some cleaning and we did hang up some stuff.
some of them might get it, some of them might not.
It's okay. But we hung up some stuff. We tidied up.
We bought some flags.
We bought some flags for in here. It's going to be funny. Anyway, we're totally inappropriate. And we will box up all the stuff for the tracker.